around here in LAX checking out the people mover, and I've got some bad news. It is delayed. You know, we were looking for a completion date of sometime in 2023. That's not going to happen. We're looking more like in 2024, late 2024, maybe October is what I'm hearing. But if that happens, it could be in line with when the K line opens up and those two systems can connect. And that'll help travelers get to and from their destinations. So let's go check out some more of what's going on at LAX. Here's the alternate LAX cell phone waiting lot area. Again, it's only one car in here. So I don't know if the word is not getting out that this is available, but it's always empty every time I'm here. Out here early morning, the LAX checking out the people mover. East Station, Central Station. Pedestrian walkway. I'm over on Terminal 5 and 6.
This is closed to the general public 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No entry is allowed except for airline passengers and persons meeting, accompanying, or assisting them, and airport personnel whose employment requires their presence.
Let's see, there's a small little sliver of I don't know what that is, like a tiny little walkway here below the East Station. I don't think I've noticed that before, but I guess it'll make its way across. I'm not really sure the status of this, what it's gonna, the function of it.
LAX, and welcome to Los Angeles.
This looks mostly complete except for this section here. See, those ceilings are still exposed. Haven't been covered up yet. And looks mostly complete underneath. Central Station looks pretty complete. I'd say 90+%. You can see those skylights. It looks like they're gonna have lighting around the ring. That looks pretty cool. That would look really nice at night. See this portion of the pedestrian area still looks like a lot of work left to go here. That's right underneath Central Station. But this next pedestrian walkway looks pretty good on the most part.
Until your passengers are curbside and ready to load. Violators may be cited and towed.
The next pedestrian walkway over here by Terminal 3, and they're doing some exterior work. On one of the pedestrian walkways. And this additional roadway here in between the West and Central Station. It looks like it is pretty much complete. A lot of activity over here on the West Station. You're hearing all kinds of tools, power tools. Let's see what they're doing over there. See, this roof line is now completed. They've made a lot of progress since the last time I was here, so it's pretty bare bones with some metal, and now it's like they've really ramped up the production here. And from the West Station looking back towards the Central Station, where I guess one day we'll start to see the track electrified and they can start doing some testing on the cars. Doesn't look like they've really touched this for the past several months. Kind of looks the same every time I come here. So this must be on the back burner a little bit, but this will be another pedestrian walkway getting you to Delta. This is over by Terminal 3. There's that glass on the West Station that faces Tom Bradley. These elevators are a little wonky. I was getting out earlier and it would not open. I had to wait for like 2 minutes before it finally figured itself out and reset. That was just a tiny bit scary. The other side of the West Station. This pedestrian walkway over here by American looks close to being finished. Looks like they still have some safety lines up there for workers to connect to and stay safe and not fall off. See this end of the west station. Still some more paneling here finishing up on the roof. And then, I don't know if that's, they're masking that, if they're doing some painting inside there. You can't see inside through those windows. The theme building is getting some nice treatment. Let's check out some of the landscaping going on here. They're really cleaning things up. Oh, this is looking really nice. Got some bark and rocks and decomposed granite and some drought-tolerant plants, landscape, lantana. This is awesome. It's like some hibiscus. Yeah, we got some hibiscus here. Oh, this is pretty. Maybe some jacaranda trees, palms. And what used to be the restaurant signage. And here's the OG cell phone waiting lot. Quite a few more cars, 10 or 12 maybe.